I got my first adjustment a few days ago and I felt an immediate sense of relief. I had been struggling with some really severe upper back tightness. When I would turn my neck, it would hurt, and as well as some piriformis syndrome over the last 6 weeks. And after my first adjustment of my neck, upper back, and like lower back area, I felt just so much better. I felt like I was walking taller. My shoulder immediately felt like it had been loosened and sort of like detached from the clenched hold that it had before. I slept better that night, and since then I've had a second adjustment and I feel even better since then. I just feel like I'm walking taller. My body feels more supported. I just feel really good.